Welcome to the start of this week's Family Print Project vlog. We have a lot to get into. Not a lot of time for this video because we literally have a market tomorrow, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. Just posted and scheduled out a couple pieces of content for the Use Autofocus YouTube channel. Currently sitting right here. This is the video that we just posted. And the numbers are doing pretty good right now, with it being only 43 minutes in. Let's do a little refresh to see how many we got in just the last couple minutes. Not too bad. We're getting things amped up for 2026 in the terms of this. We are also expanding into reselling on my eBay shop for business-related stuff. I am amping things up. Content creation, taking care of the family, getting things done like that. And thank you guys from the most recent video on the support that you've been giving us. It is greatly appreciated. It has been extremely tough, and we are still navigating how we're going to do it, but we are orchestrating how we're getting back into it. And more context, all this stuff is going to be on the family vlog channel. I don't know when. I've got a bunch of pieces of content to get over there and a couple shorts to do as well. A ton of shorts to do as well. Tomorrow's day is literally jam-packed. We have Broly's first day of practice tomorrow for this season of baseball. We also have Amanda going to my mom's bachelorette party in preparation for her wedding, and we also have that market. So lots to do. It is only 5:39 p.m. right now. I've literally been working on getting a bunch of pieces of content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube for work. Now it's time to work on myself and get things going in preparation for that. I do have a little bit to finish here, but just context. Isabella's gonna film us. We're here at the field house, community field house, and we're about to go inside. Alright, so one thing's for sure, I am very happy to have the microphone again, and it is packed today. We just made our first sale of the day. 6-7 bracelet. Good news is there is a little Pokestop here, so we've been playing a lot of Pokemon Go recently on what we're doing with that. But we're having fun. We're having a good day. And one of us is going to be leaving soon to go take Broly to baseball. We still have yet to decide. And we've been teased very heavily because there's a crawfish thing outside. Same one as last year. The price for crawfish did go up by $10. So it's $50 for literally, it's at the beginning of the season. I guess I'm just unfamiliar with pricing, but Amanda's been on the ball. She said this is what it was like last year too. But again, we noticed that we're lower on stock than what we had originally thought, but all in all, it's still pretty good. So we've had a pretty steady business all day today. We made a pretty decent amount. We are trying to wait for like 1 or 2 more sales to come through, but we literally are almost at 9 p.m. tonight, and we got here about noon, so a 9-hour shift-ish. And we just did the current number update. We're averaging about $20 an hour right now, which is pretty dang good for today. I did talk with the manager about some potential collaborative stuff on prints for this business, as well as something else that I'm not ready to say yet because it's not really related to 3D printing, but it is related to a business adventure that I might do potentially. I have a lot of stuff to do for it, but it's coming. But all in all, pretty decent day. We'll get the final numbers here shortly. Again, this is probably going to be a very short vlog so I can actually be up to date and actually get y'all the content on time, and then we'll have a full week's worth of content ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, the first market of the year wraps out very decently with about $450 in overall net income, which is really, or gross sales, I should say. Gross sales, not net income. Gross sales, our net sales was about $430. So very, very good start to the year. I definitely want to hop into different things this week. We're going to see what's going on. Some Other things have taken priority this week that have stunt what we were doing. We will let you guys know in due time about all that stuff, but good stuff with business, good stuff in life right now, and progress is being made. I will be trying to focus mainly on getting the Patreon double down on, getting everything updated for that. So that's going to be for this vlog. Lots to get into the next one. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys do me a favor, made it this far. Hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you guys plan to do in 2026. I'd love to hear y'all and what y'all's plans are. Are y'all starting 3D printing? Is this the first video y'all seen? Is something, are you guys going on an adventure? Do you plan on doing trips? I'd love to know what y'all's 2026 is going to be all about. We're going to be getting into our goals. We're going to be getting into tips, updates, all that good fun stuff. And there should be a short the following day from this video, which will be fairly quickly within the next 18 hours of this video going live, because it's going live this afternoon on Tuesday. So I will catch y'all on the next one.